All right, guys, we're here at Sonoma Raceway with Lightspeed Track Events. I'm joined by William here, who is the owner of this 2018 Mercedes AMG GT R. I've driven a few of these cars in the canyons, but never on track. So I'm very curious to see how this does. Talk to me a little bit about what you've done to the car.
Yeah, it's just stock. We have stock Cup 2 tires on them, but I upgraded the brake fluid to Endless RF650. I would say be mindful of the brake because they do overheat. Like a 2-to-1 ratio between sprint and cool down would be pretty good.
Okay, so yeah, we're powered by a 4-liter twin-turbo V8. I know the numbers off the top of my head. That's how many times I've driven this car. 577 horsepower. Torque is what, 516?
Oh, 700 Newton meters. Okay, that's probably a little over 500 pound-feet. About a G87 M2 weight.
So I think that's around 3,700 pounds. Definitely a big, chunky car, but it's front midship. The engine's mounted very far back. As you can see, the hood is absolutely massive. I can't even see where it actually begins. But needless to say, this is a very capable car in stock form. The question is, what kind of lap time can I do today on some pretty worn out Cup 2s with brake fade? These cars are still selling for what, a 110 to 130, somewhere around there?
Say 120, 130.
Every time I think about this car's price point, I think 991.1 GT3. I've driven a stock one out here. I think it was also on Cup 2s, and I think I did a 147. So I think that's going to be the time to try to hopefully beat. 145?
145.
No way? Hell yeah.
Yeah. But I can tell on T11 you had brake fade, right?
Yeah. I got quite a bit of brake fade actually.
God, this car's so fast.
Your tires?
Yeah.
It understeers a lot.
Well, we're doing 6 sessions today, so.
Yeah, that's true.
Do you think we still have 2 sessions left in them?
Yeah, 2 sessions should be no problem.
Okay.
But you just have to be quite patient with the front end. It's very understeery right now.
Well, it's been on countless mountain runs and 2 to 3 track days now.
Oh yeah?
So it's old.
All the toge runs in your AMG taking a toll. The front midship balance. Honestly, I'm really not just saying this. It feels like a big S2000.
It really does.
Like the turn-in is really incredible. Minus the, you know, at the limit it understeers. I think that's just because of tires and the rear axle steering too.
It's funny, on track it feels natural, but like on spirited drives on the road, it feels a little intrusive.
Oh really?
Because it's still like the earlier generation rear wheel steer system, so it's less progressive.
It's a little bit more on-off.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that. I mean, even the first couple of laps I did, I almost felt like, why is it turning so sharply? I almost thought I was going to lose the rear. But no, the rear is still hooked up. It's just that it's helping the front turn.
You have so much rear rubber, it's hard to lose the rear.
Yeah, no, I really did not run into any rear traction issues at all. I was really just waiting on the front in most of the corners.
I feel like it's weird because you have such a sharp front end that, you know, everything 9/10, you don't feel any understeer. But when you're pushing it hard like that, that's when it shows a little bit.
Yeah, I think if you're driving at 8/10 and below,
so sharp.
This car feels like it's invincible. That's kind of how I felt when I drove these cars in the canyons too. You can kind of feel the car's weight still, but the natural balance of the car feels like an S2000. It's just everything happens a little bit slower.
This car urgently needs an air duct system installed.
For the brakes?
Just to cool the brake, yeah.
I can see that. What a car though. What was the final lap time? Was it a 145?
145.6.
That's
Dude, you're so fast.
That's better than I expected. 2 seconds faster than the stock 991.1 GT3 I drove here on Cup 2s. There you have it, bone stock AMG GT R with almost 40,000 miles. Easy 45 with a passenger, with a better driver, fresh tires, probably be like a 41, 42 car. I have no doubt.
Fastest car you drive stock on Sonoma.
It's the fastest car I've ever driven at Sonoma.
Oh shoot.
Yeah. Shout out to Lightspeed Track Events again. Check out their website. Use promo code Zygrene to save on your next track day. Sorry, I got to do my little little bit here. AMG GT R for $120,000 over a 991.1 GT3. I think it's justified, but let me know your thoughts in the comments.